How to log into your Citibank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Citibank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar, simply type in Citibank. After that, go to the first link, which is citi.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Citibank, where on the right side of the screen you can see the little login box. So in order to log in, you'll have to basically enter your user ID, your password, and once you tap on the option sign on, you'll be successfully logged in or signed in to your Citibank's online banking account. But in any case, let's say you forgot your username or your password, you can simply reset them by either tapping the forgot user ID option or the forgot password option. So whichever one you forgot, simply tap on it and then you will be able to reset it from there. And similarly, if you have not yet registered to online banking services of Citibank, you can simply do so by tapping the option register, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully registered to their online banking services and you can use the similar process to log in. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.